remember what happened.
Okay. Okay, there it goes. That's started. All right. And then we will need to share screen. Now, I guess you should share your screen since we're going to work on your stuff.
Okay. Yeah.
What are your thoughts?
Yeah, I can share my screen.
Okay.
Okay.
I see it.
Okay, good. So I guess I'll start with this one was already made, and I don't know who made it or if it was a system report, but this was the last one I just sent you. So this was the one I was trying to work with. And actually, this is my copy that I made.
Uh-huh.
So I was playing with it because when I run it, just there we go. Run it for this current week. 25. Oh, well, ooey. Oh.
Yeah, see, it's not 12.
Yeah, thanks. 25. I'm like, wait, I know he worked. Okay. So, yeah, so this one right here, and I tried to just, I'm like, I don't really need the comp code in there. So I was like, I'll just delete the comp code and the pay group would be good. But when I delete either one of these columns, I get that SQL error thing. So it's like they have to be there for some reason. And I'm not sure why, but when I went to recreate it, so I went and I moved pay group. Actually, I got rid of phase too because we don't use phase. So that was fine. I was able to delete that. And then I moved everything over, and then I moved pay group all the way over here. But for some reason, when I run it, it's still
Before you click print, well, it's too late.
Oh.
Before you click print, go up to defaults and click on save. Go up on defaults there and click save printing defaults.
Oh, okay.
And that way you don't have to keep re-entering that.
Re-entering it, yeah. um, yeah, so see, it moves the pay group number over here, but the description's still back here.
Okay, let me ask you a
weird.
question. What are you trying to do?
I need to provide this for an audit that we're doing, and I just don't want this overlap right here.
Okay.
So I was trying to like spread things out to get rid of that, but no matter where I move these two columns, like the descriptions stay right here overlapped.
Okay, let's go back to the modify screen. Leave this up so we can see it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, well, that's fine. No, don't worry.
Oh.
Yeah, okay. And move this one to the side, and then let's look at, okay, now, let's see, right click on one of the descriptions.
Properties?
No, the descriptions.
Oh, this part?
No, the descriptions that are overlapping in the middle there.
Oh, so it's part of this. So
okay.
So this is the comp code. And the funny thing is I chose, I'll show you in here. I actually chose the comp code. There's two of them in here. And this is the one I chose, and it says workers' compensation code. And then this one is workers' compensation code with the description. I actually chose this one because I don't need the description, but it's still putting the description. I don't know why. But yeah, this is it's putting the code and the description into this.
Okay, right click that one.
Okay.
And properties. Okay, let's see what that's doing. Okay, that's just the code. And okay, and go ahead and cancel. And the other side is Which one is running into it? Actually, you must be on the
this
detail
one here.
line. The detail line is doing that, isn't it?
Yeah, it's this first detail line right here at it. So it's basically it's the description for this one and the description for this one that are overlapping here in the middle.
Okay, why do you have two detail lines? Is that the way it came?
That's the way it came. I
Okay,
didn't change anything else.
okay,
So I think this one, go to the report. Yeah, so these ones are printing the time card lines essentially. So that's the first detail line. And then this one's printing the total hours and pay.
okay.
So, which I guess I don't
mm-hmm.
necessarily need that either. I mean, I could get rid of that. Mostly they just want to see time card detail. So for this audit.
Okay, let's slow down a bit here.
So I mean, I could get rid of this line if
No,
maybe that would help.
hang on a second. Okay, so let's slow down. Let's look at. Can you increase the size of this screen or this view? Just as is there something at the bottom there that gives you the opportunity to enlarge? Probably not on this screen.
I don't think so.
Okay. I tell you what, I have a solution. Okay, so you got worker code, time card line worker code, and pay group, and then up there is the comp and the rate time card.
Maybe actually now that I'm looking at these codes underneath, maybe that is what they're doing. Maybe they put, so this is the job number and this is the job name. This is the cost code. This is the cost code name.
That is the strangest layout I have ever seen.
Yeah. I know I haven't seen one like this quite yet either. I was just looking for reports that I could provide for this audit, and this one has good information on it. It's just kind of set up funky.
Okay, let's look at the grouping. Go up to the grouping icon, the AZ down arrow icon.
Yep.
Top, there you go. Okay, so what do you have? Okay, record number? Record number is group 1? Huh.
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. Cancel that so we can see. And so everything on here is based on record number. I'd have to really take a look at this to see what it is that it's trying to do. This is the trouble with Sage reports. They're just kind of all over the place, the data, you know, and that's why I'm able to do such so many reports for clients, because they look at this and say, "Oh, please help me."
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, right. So
well, I'm not gonna lie. I mean, I want to learn this stuff, but yeah, my managers and I might be reaching out to you after this class is over to be like, hey, we need this.
Okay,
how can we do this?
Yeah, now see, they've got the first group one is the record number, and then the second group one is the column titles for the detail. Okay, and then you've got detail. The first detail is, let's see, that's okay, so that's the first detail line is the date. Oh, based on the titles, you know, you can see what those are: job, cost code, comp code, rate, hours,
and the pay group.
And then pay group. Hours / PC. What is the PC? Hours per something. Yeah, click on the formula down below there and see what that says. Okay, that is hours per pieces. Hours or pieces.
Hours or pieces, yeah.
Okay.
Which we don't use pieces, so yeah, that it would just be hours.
Yeah, not many people use pieces. And so then we've got the job name, And above it, we had the job number. Yeah, cost code name, cost code number. That's quite interesting. Okay, and then the pay group is under rates, the rate, and the time card hours, I guess. Time card line pieces, it says P after TMCDLN. That one on the one right below that there.
Yeah.
Yeah. Click the properties on that, and that's pay type. Pay type. Okay.
Oh yeah.
I
So
tell
yeah,
you,
stick in the pay type underneath.
Yeah. So
interesting.
I tell you what, let us now record number is group 1, and this isn't a thing by job, is it? Particularly, it's more like by employee. Is it by employee?
Yeah, it's by employee.
Is employee even on there?
I believe it's here, up here.
Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
And so you're trying to get the workers' comp info for an employee. You're trying to get. Let's take a look at that printout again.
Yeah.
Take a look at that printout again. Okay, let's see. And so you've got.
So I think that is because this is the second detail. So this is the first detail line. This is the second detail line.
Yeah. Yeah.
So this is what I need to change. So it's on the second detail line. It's not. I've been moving the first detail line.
Okay, let me give you a suggestion here. We're going to do some switching around on this. Can you slide this picture over to the right so it shows when you're actually working on the modify screen?
Oh, you know what? Hang on, let me out of this first and then move it.
You can shrink the modify screen. You can move that there. Okay, that's the. Is that the modify screen? No.
That's the report, and then
okay. That's
we're gonna make this smaller.
Yeah, perfect. Perfect. Now we can see what we're looking at and doing at the same time. Okay. I would suggest saving this report. Make it. Do you have room for another 03 or something? Or okay, let's save it as an 03 or whatever you have available that's not there.
Okay. Here, actually, do something different here so it looks different in my screen. Okay.
Okay. Perfect. Now, let's click on the detail row. Click twice. Go up and make a new detail row twice.
Okay.
Okay. Now, we've got the date and the job, and okay. Slide the date and the job up to the first new detail row, one at a time probably. Or maybe it'll go. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. And then slide the cost code up, and now slide the cost code name to the side of it. Down on the
this one here.
That one there, and slide it over there, and then right or left adjust it up at the top. Oh, you can do that too. Click on it.
Oh, I think I was.
And then go up top. Just go up top.
Oh, okay.
Up to the highlight. No, over to the left on. There you go. Click that. Okay. Okay. And then we have slide the rate up to that same line, and the hours up to that same line. I'm not sure if this is going to work, but we're going to have to take a look. Okay, now on line 2, the new line, detail line 2, slide the comp code number up to where comp code is, and then slide the new description, the description for that up beside it, just like we did, and then left adjust it. And then now that leaves the time card line. What is that? Job?
This one's a pay group.
Job
This one's
name.
the job name.
Oh,
So
and
I
we
can
don't have
put the job name with this one and
yeah. Yeah, let's put the job and job name on that second detail line.
both of them together.
Yeah, slide them and make them both left adjusted. Okay. Then slide the name a little closer to the job number. Little. Okay, let's see how that goes. And then what's left on the second detail or the third detail? We've got a pay group and the pay group name, right?
The pay group and the pay group name, and then.
Okay, let's put the pay group next on. Let's put the pay group number up and move it. Oh no, not that far.
That one, this
there,
one?
and slide it to the left. Slide it all the way to the left. A little more. Keep going. More. There. Okay. And now slide the name to the right of that and left adjust it. I don't know what this is going to look like, but we're going to see. And then you only have the pay type. Okay, let's look at.
Yeah, which I could stick here.
Yeah, let's put it there.
I can actually get rid of this.
Yeah. Okay, and put the pay type up there and write it, left adjust it. And okay, now let's see. Now delete the two detail lines that we emptied. Okay, now let's just run this and see what it looks like. I have no idea what it's going to look like, but we'll see.
Okay. Well, it's not overlapping anymore, so that's good.
Yeah. Okay, so
job and then comp code and then rate hours. 8 regular, which is good. And then that looks better.
Now we need to make some sense of what's on the first detail line and what's on the second one. The first detail line, or let's see if there's anything on either one of those that's not needed.
Yeah, I mean, technically, oops, what'd I do?
Okay. So you've got.
Yeah, I mean, technically, I don't need the workers' comp description. I just need the code. Because we know what the descriptions are. We only have 2.
But would your auditor need to see it?
He has a workers' comp report, so if the number is there, he can.
I would leave it.
5140 equals.
I would leave it. Yeah, for him or her, whoever is the auditor, they don't know what that number means, but they need to see what the wording is on that. So let's see. You've got cost code. Is the cost code needed for this?
It's possible.
Okay, let's see.
Just because they'll be able to kind of determine who's on site and who's off site based on that.
Okay, now and so you've got, oh, I see something that we can do too. You've got each row is a date, one date.
Yes.
And the rate is the same on all of them. And the hours, that could be different.
It could be, yes.
Okay, so let's take a look at okay, we're doing 2. And the cost code can change. Now the job is going to be, now maybe the job isn't going to be the same. Okay.
It'll be for this audit. It's not going to be this job, but it's going to be the same job.
Yeah.
We're running this for one job. So.
Okay.
So technically I could move the job number up
Okay.
to.
I have a thought here. Let's go back to the modify report, which you can open.
Well,
and
actually, you know what? We're running it for one job, but we have to run it by employee. So it's going to have to show everything for the week for the employee.
But it could be by job. You know, within the week. Let me.
Well, if we can get it by job, that would probably be good. But
because for the auditor, it doesn't matter about the job, does it? That's
only if it's showing all the jobs. Like, so he'll need to be able to see, like, if he had 2 days on this job and 3 days on a different job, he'll need to be able to see whatever was on that job. But
okay, let's go back to modify report.
But if we can run it by job, then
yeah, let's go, and go back to, and then go up to the AZ grouping icon. And now click on job number. That would be in payroll record lines, time card lines.
Card lines.
And then job number, just job number. Okay, now click OK. Now make a group 2 row and slide job up there, job number and job name. Okay, and move the word job in the heading there, right above, and move that to the front of that row, the group 2 row. Okay. Okay, perfect. Now, let's just go ahead and save that as number 3 and then run it, and let's see what difference that has made. Okay. And so we can actually get all the stuff for the date on one row.
I wonder.
And condense that.
I want to see someone who has multiple jobs. See what it looks like. Oh, okay. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And so let's go back to modify report and shrink the side of that so we can see the printed out version.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. And so on the second row, we have the date and the cost code and the rate and the pieces. And let's see, what else is there? First, there we've got the date.
Did I close? I think I closed.
Okay, so
that's the old one, but
okay.
let me pull up the new one.
Is that the new one? No, yes. Yeah.
There we go.
Okay. Okay, so we have on the second line, we have the okay, that's a good idea. Okay, let's go back to the grouping. In the modify report, go to the grouping icon and click on comp code. That'll be on time card lines. Comp code. Just the number, not the with description. Okay. Oh. Not with description.
Yeah, that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
You have to get rid of that one and then bring that one in. Okay. And then click OK, and let's go back. Now make a third, a group 3 line, and bring the comp code info up there.
Okay.
Comp code, yeah. And then bring the comp code info over.
Is that it? Yeah, that's it.
Yeah. Okay, now we only have one other thing on that second detail line. So move the cost code over in that same row. And what's a pay group? Is that pay group?
This is the pay group, yeah.
Okay, move the pay group in between those things. Over further. No, over. Low. Keep going. Okay, and then put the pay group name beside it.
Okay.
And make that detail row a no print or delete it. Okay. Now let's just see what we've got. Go ahead and.
That's something I added? I think that's something I added. Maybe not. What's this little blue thing?
Yeah, let's see what comes up.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so now your comp codes are together, your dates are together, and you can get a total for the comp code. You can get a total for the job, and this is making a lot more sense visually.
Yeah.
I don't know how you feel about it. Tell me how you feel about this.
Yeah, that's looking a lot cleaner.
Yeah.
Not so everywhere.
Yeah. So what would you do from here on out?
I'm gonna go snap these so they're lined up.
Okay, now let me ask you this. Let me ask you this one thing. One of those things is a miscellaneous pay.
Yeah.
That should probably be in a different column if you're going to total columns. I don't know.
Yeah. Yeah.
I don't know.
It shows up under the rate when we process miscellaneous pay, but
yeah. These are just rates. These aren't.
Yeah, this part's just the rate. These are the hours.
We need the comp code amount, don't we?
The
no, it's just the comp code number.
Yeah, just the comp code number, and then the hourly rate, and then the hours.
You total up the hours for the comp code. That's what you need, isn't it? Or do you need to multiply the rate times the hours to get a number?
Yeah. So the total hours are down here. The total pay is here, which this is fine. Because it actually shows the total regular pay and the total miscellaneous pay is over here. So it breaks it out on this line.
Okay, take a look at the printout, and you've got the comp code column, and you have the cost code column. The cost code column can move over closer to the date, and we'll get to it. And then the next column, which is the 6,200, whatever that is. Oh, that's the pay group, I guess.
Yeah, these are the pay groups.
That can move over also. And then you have the rate times the hours, and put a formula together for that and make a column for the total amount. And that's what the auditor needs, I think. Okay, so, and you can leave the regular pay and the miscellaneous pay. That's needful because that shows what kind of pay it is.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you to, when we go back to the modify report, move the cost code columns over, the pay group columns over, and both of the rate and hours columns over.
Let's align these.
You can hold, no, what you doing? Oh, you're getting them lined up. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh. If I do it on the right line, though, I'll line them to this one.
And you'll need to put them both left adjusted. The job number is there. You go. Okay. Now you can hold the control key down. Hold the control key down and click on the. Not now. Hold the control key down. Don't click on anything right now. Unclick. Click someplace blank.
Oops. There we go.
Okay, there you go. Now hold the control key down, and in the detail row, click on the cost code number, the cost code name, the pay group number, the pay group name, the rate, and the hours. And just use your arrow to the left and let it scroll over there. Move it to the left with your left arrow.
Okay.
Okay. Keep going, keep going. Quite a bit. The dates doesn't take up much space.
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. A little more, a little more, a little more, a little more. Okay. Now, unclick so nothing is highlighted. Okay. Now, let's click on the cost code number and make it left adjusted. The number there, left adjust, and move the cost code name closer. Don't worry about those little arrows. Visualize how large the cost code number is. Okay, and so you can encroach. Okay, that's good. Now, do the same thing with the pay group. Left adjust the number and bring that a little closer, but both of them are pretty good. Now, click on both of those and move those to the left a little bit. A little more, a little more, a little more. Keep going, keep going. Keep going. More, 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 more. Okay, that's probably good. Now that may bump into each other. We'll figure that out. Now the pay rate and the hours are good. And then the last item, move that all the way to the right.
Okay.
So you have room for another number. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Go, 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 go. Okay, that's good. Now, click in between there. Oh, we have to do the formula first. Okay, let's do the calculation field icon there. And in the body there, click on rate.
Oh,
the time card line rate. Time card
lines.
Rate. Okay, and then click the asterisk for the times, and then now type click on the hours. Okay, now give it a title, give it a name.
And then same thing.
Okay, and just call it what it is in the description.
Okay. Great.
Okay, and now save. Okay, now close and click in that spot. There you go, and put that new thing in there. Paste. Okay, something's wrong. X out.
Oops.
X out. I think. Oh, maybe you were right. Okay, click on the little square up at the top with the arrow, so you can put something into the field there.
Okay.
Okay, now down at the bottom of that bottom one, it'll be the last one. Keep scrolling all the way down. Down, down, down. Okay, so gross pay, is that what you called it? Okay. Click there. Okay, now you have gross pay in there. Move it to the left. More, more, more. Okay, now right click it. Properties. And on format, See the format square up there in the middle to the right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, click the down arrow on the format. And the first one is the double, that one. That gives it the dollars, and then the alignment is right. And then the number of characters, this number is probably not going to ever be more than 12 characters. Oh no, for that, even 10, but let's do 12. Type in 12 characters, okay. And then click OK. All right. Woo. Now, we've got an extra subtotal one row there that we don't need. Let's either delete it or no print. Okay, now let's see what you got. Okay. Now the total is encroaching. Both the hours can go to the left and the gross pay can go to the left.
Yeah.
But the rest of it seems to be okay. Now you can go get those aligned up better, if you want to afterwards. Then there's a couple other things that we want to clean up to make it more readable. But you need a total row. I don't know if we
here.
No.
Well, the total comes up here, I think.
No, it doesn't.
This one here? No?
No. Well, maybe. I'm not sure, but what I'd like to do is let's go back to the modify report on this. Now, we need where the no print row is, let's change that to, well, wait a minute. Let's go back up to the, let's see, what is group 3 is the comp code. So that's the dollar amount would be in there. Yeah, okay. Make that a subtotal 3. That no print row is a subtotal 3. And that's because comp code is group 3. And then you got the detail, and now we want the detail of the comp code. And since it's group 3, then this has to be subtotal 3. Now, the subtotals have to be in reverse order, always. And if you don't use them, then that's fine. But if you use them, they have to be 3, 2, 1.
Okay.
Okay. Now, I just need you to go over to the gross pay. Click on that and copy. And paste it in the spot below.
Oops.
Oh, that happens to me all the time.
That was not that. Yeah, let me copy it again.
Yeah, copy it again.
Copy.
There you go. Now it should do it. No, okay. Okay, click on it and
just insert it.
No. Here, let's X out of there. X out.
Okay.
Copy. Click on it and do Control C.
Okay.
Okay, now go down below.
It does not want to copy that for me. No, it's still pasting.
Okay, double click on it. Okay, now right click on it and copy. Now go down below and try.
No, it's wanting to take my Windows copy.
Okay. What are you doing when you highlight that gross dollar?
This right click, copy.
Okay.
And then this right click, paste.
Yeah.
It's somewhere saving. This was the last thing I copied in Windows, so it's somewhere.
Okay. Click on the space below it. Don't worry about the one above. Click on the space below and go back to your formulas and download that same one. It'll be in the bottom tray, gross pay.
Okay.
There's 3 ways to skin the dog there. So now you'll want to right adjust and align it with the one above it. And click on it and properties, do the format and the space that, yeah, the characters 12. Okay. And you know what you ought to do is properties and bold. Aren't you glad we taped this?
Yeah.
Okay, so now is it aligned with it to the
It looks, yeah, it looks like it.
I'm not sure. Click on both. Okay, yes, it is. Okay. Okay, let's see what you've got now. So save and then run it. Okay, so now let's see. Okay, there's the bold.
Yep.
Now the hours the column hours need to be moved over a bit, and the gross pay column needs to be moved over a bit.
Yep.
And that way it'll show up correctly.
Yeah, I can move this over a little bit too.
You don't need to, actually. There's plenty of room with the rate and the hours hours can move over easily, and then that gives enough room for the gross pay.
Okay, we can do that.
After we're done, you can do whatever you want with it.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Cool.
I'm just trying to help you get it usable.
Yeah.
And then you can tinker with it and make it pretty like you want it to. Okay, so let's go and move those columns over.
Okay. So let's see. We're gonna move this. Actually,
You can click on all four things. You can click on all four things: the titles, the headings, and not the rate. Yeah, not the rate. Just the hours and the gross pay and the hours, and move those to the left. Substantial, because hours don't take up much space. Okay, let's try that.
Actually, I can that over. Oops.
Wrong direction. Okay.
So it's there. Okay. And then, yeah, that can stay.
Yeah, and that can stay. Okay. Now, one other thing before you go ahead and, okay, let's, I want you to draw a line underneath the data on the detail row. So go up to the line icon up top on the right. Okay. You shouldn't have that row highlighted. And don't highlight that row. Okay, now go up and click the line, and now position it at the bottom of the data on the very left, and a little higher, come on, up there. Okay, now then draw it all the way over. Okay, fine. Now go up and click the little white arrow up top there. Yeah. Generally you cannot click on a line or a box to get properties without clicking that white arrow. Okay, now click. Okay, now you've got properties. Now let's go over to the top where it says 0 and click a 1. That gives the line width a 1. And go down to the color. Let me get a little closer here. Yeah, click the down arrow on 4 color. That's the line color. And go down to the bottom on the very left, the gray boxes, and go up to the 4th one from the bottom. There, click. and click OK. Now we're not done. We're not done. And on the okay, let's look at the top left and width columns. The left is number 1, which is correct. You want it to start at number 1. And the top for this kind of a line should be either 18 or 19. Let's make it 18.
Okay.
That's 18 from the top of that row. And then the width for a 7.5 inch one should be about 720. But that's probably going to be short, but we'll see. And then click OK. And now let's see what you've got. Go ahead and save and print.
Oh.
Okay. And see, the gray is nice because it's not overbearing, but it does give you lineal.
Mm-hmm.
And it should actually end up being a 19 instead of an 18. Did we leave it at 19 or 18?
I think we changed it to 18.
Okay, let's change it when you get back there next time to 19. That'll give it, so we don't want it to touch, but we don't want it to run into the one below either. So 19 will be good. Okay, and see, you've got your subtotal. Your subtotal is the 2603. That needs to align with the row above it.
Yeah.
And so you'll need to right adjust that to the column.
Okay.
And you might give it a title somewhere in the left side there called work comp total. On that same row that the total is, you put in there someplace work comp total. And I think we're looking good here. So
yeah.
then we need to look at the top real quick. Okay, that's a mess. So we'll take a look at that. Okay, so go ahead and save, or no, we're not saving it. Go ahead and move the total over to the column. Align it with the column. Click that and down and that one, and then the right click on the top one. Align right.
Oh, align centered. Align right. There we go.
Okay, then somewhere over there, write comp code to just to somewhere to the left of the gross pay total subtotal. Type in work comp total.
Oh, over here.
Yeah, and line it up with one of the other columns, like the next one to the left, not that one, the next one to the left, because it's a long one and this is a long title, and if they're in the same line, it reads better. So click on work total, work comp total, and click on the one above it, and align them to the left together. There. Okay, you'll see why when you see it to read, those kinds of things make a difference. That way you've got columns to read, and there's not something here and there and there and there and there like Sage does.
Yeah.
Okay. Now let's look at the top real quick. Now here we have record, period, employee. That can all really be there. The date and cost code, What we should have is, we probably don't even need date and cost code on that row. If we're going to put it any place, we're going to put it up at the top. But the top doesn't match what we've got anyway. And we've got, well, we need the record, the pay rec, the period, and the employee. So there's an end date, a start date, and a status. So those are okay. And we have a start date. Now the date that is labeled in group 1 is what kind of a date? That's the day they worked.
That's the date. Yes, the day
Okay.
that they worked.
Okay. You probably don't need that. And the comp code is self-explanatory, I think. Well, maybe not. Not to somebody who's auditing. Okay. I tell you what, make a group line, another, on the detail row, click plus and add another row, and we'll change that to a group 3. Then move date down to right above the date and move the comp code title right down to above comp code. No, up, up. One more, up. There, comp code, the word comp code. I'm sorry, cost code.
Oh, cost code.
I'm confusing you. Cost code, move that down to cost code, right above cost code.
Gotcha.
Okay. Then line those up with the thing below it. So cost code is lined up with cost code. They both need to be left adjusted. And you have to left adjust the word cost code because it's not.
Oh.
Okay. Now that explains what those are. And it'll only show once, not each time the row is. If you wanted to, you could do the same thing above pay group. Type in pay group up above pay group. Since we're doing that. Okay. Okay. And rate. You can type in rate and hours. Yeah, you can bring those down. Now they should probably be right adjusted.
Yeah.
Because they're numbers. Now the rate is not lined up right, or maybe it is, and the hours are bumping into it. You can move the rate and the title rate over to the left a bit so they don't bump.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, rate and the rate itself and the title to the left. Left. Okay, that's good. And then the hours align to the top. I think that probably is. Okay. That have to hold the control key down to do both hours.
Oh, both of these?
Okay, there you go. Yeah, you're fine. Those are good.
Yeah.
Okay. And if you want to do gross pay, I don't know, you can put that up there too, since we're doing that. Okay, and then pay type. Might as well do pay type while we're at it. That way the auditor has no question as to what's what. Okay. Good thought there. Okay. Now let's take a look at the rest of the top here. You've got the first group 1. Okay. And then the next one is the job. I would bold the job the word job and the job name and the job number. I would bold those. Okay, and the COM code as well.
The whole thing.
Yeah, all of it. Okay. What happened there? Unclick. Okay, so the COM code, the title is coming into the COM code, but I think that's going to be okay. Because in the actual printout, the COM code number is small. Okay. And in making things look good, I like to keep the columns identical. And so if you have the job number right above the COM code number, that's not, one is left adjusted and one is right adjusted. So right adjust the job. Okay. Now click on both of the titles for those two things, not titles, the names. Click on the two names and move it to the right a bit. Quite a bit. There. Okay, good. That gives it space, and visually it flows. At least to me. So now you've got that group one line that is not being used. So let's get rid of that. Oh, and let's move that one line you drew on the detail row. You'll have to click on it if it'll click. No, you'll have to click that white arrow up top. Okay, and make it a 18 instead of a 19. Or no, a 19 instead of an 18. Yeah, 19. Okay, and save or click OK. Okay, let's see what you got. I think we're getting there. Okay. I can see the name, job, and COM code don't line up with the word date, so they could be lined up. But otherwise, I think this is so much more readable.
Yeah.
And
definitely looks clearer.
Yeah, and I think do you have any questions on this?
I don't think so. I think this is good.
Okay.
You can do a little tweaking and.
Yeah, you do your thing with it. And what about the bottom? Do you have to do anything with the bottom?
No, I don't think so. I think I'm just gonna leave that as is.
Okay.
It just kind of breaks. Well,
Yeah.
this is kind of repetitive, but
yeah,
because all of this stuff is right here.
Yeah. Okay. So I think we've done a good job on this, and
that's good.
So you have an opportunity now to do your own thing with it after I'm gone, and enjoy.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, definitely.
Okay.
And then other thing. Okay.
Oh yes, I've got that in front of me. What was that?
This guy. So
okay. Payroll record, time card line. Oh, that's what we were looking at. Oh, is it?
Private form. It's made it private. We are invoice. Sorry.
Okay, the one you sent me a picture of is the one we just finished. So
yes,
what,
so this
what
was
else
the one. This was the one prior. So this was when I was trying to do the homework for last week to do the AR invoice. I have one that has more on it, but this one I was just using as a test. So I put the company name here.
Okay.
And I go to properties and it says it's supposed to be company name. But when I try and print this report, it just says company name. It doesn't put the company name in there.
Okay, let's go to the menu, the Sage menu.
Out here.
Yeah, and go to utilities, number 7, and number 1 in utilities, company. Now let's see. Yeah. Okay, you got a company name of GA Able. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, and that's what's going to show because of that, of what's in this spot is
Mhm.
what's going to show when you do company name. Now, why it's not showing, I am not sure. Let's go take another look. I just wanted to see what was in there. Sometimes it's blank and then nobody can figure out why isn't that showing?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, so we need to see
There it is.
there. Okay. Let's take, okay, click in another spot up top
Mhm.
and hit F5. I don't know if it'll show you all the things. No, does it?
No.
Nothing? Okay. Okay. CP carrot.
Yeah, I
Oh,
tried selecting it and
okay.
I tried just typing
Okay.
it in. So
Just let's just type up at that spot you clicked in. Just type in CP carrot CMP NME. Yeah, okay, and click out of it. Okay, now run it and see what happens. Save and run. Okay. Is this form attached to any job yet? Any custom report yet?
no, I don't think so.
Okay. Attach it to a job, to a report, or yeah. Let's see. Do you have a name for this one?
Uh,
This form?
this is what I named it when I saved it.
Okay. Okay, fine.
So yeah,
Now,
so that's what
so let's
it's
go.
this guy.
Let's go into a job where you have that type of data,
Okay.
in your job list. Um, where you have that.
Into the actual job
Yeah,
or
into the
okay.
actual report. The report, not the
Oh,
job.
the report. Okay.
Yeah. What kind
So
of a
that
job? What kind of a thing is that?
it's
Right
an
now, it's just
AR
air.
invoice. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go into one of the AR invoice reports, and now in report form, go
Mm-hmm.
do the down arrow and choose yours, the new one that you did.
Oh, you know what? That's what did I put that under? It was actually, hang on, let me go back in here. Right. VR. Maybe that's AR. So I have it under contract invoice. That's the form type.
Okay,
Uh,
but you should be able to call it up. Um, let's see. Go down. Are you in number 5, number 13.5? Go down to 13.5. I don't know what one you're in.
okay.
Oh, you are in 13.5.
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is what I have it named. Invoice contract AR invoice.
Invoice underscore AR. Okay. So that's the type of place that it'll go. Where did you pull that up from? Where does that snipping tool? Oh, your snipping tool.
Oh
Okay.
yeah, snipping.
Okay. Okay. AR invoice. Okay. So let's go back to, yeah, number 5, 13.5. And let's pull down, there's got to be a list here.
So, oops,
Okay. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Click on display.
Okay.
And see what's in there. Now find it in, yeah, make that alphabetical and then go down and find AR.
Okay.
There it is. Okay. Okay. Click OK.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, there it is. Now, okay, so that's there. And now we need to put, we need to attach this. Go ahead and save it just to be sure. And go ahead and go into your report. It is in there. So let's see. Yeah. Okay. Close that out. Close this out. Go into an AR invoice report.
Oh, that's all. That matters.
Okay.
That matters. Invoice list.
Yeah, there you go. And then just on report form, use the down arrow to see if you can find that.
Yeah.
It's not there. Okay. Okay.
I wonder if that's
maybe
what I was
it's
wondering if maybe that type.
It's the type, I think, that's the problem.
Yeah, so if I
So
go
let's go
here,
back in.
I'm wondering if it shows.
No. Oh,
No.
okay. Yeah, let's go back to the 13.5 and find that one. Find it and get it here. Okay, now save and okay. Wait, it should not invoice contract, not that. Let's find a different type. Okay, scroll up to AR. AR. Okay, or okay, maybe invoice. Let's scroll down to invoice. Okay, invoice contract.
Yeah, that's what I put.
That's what you had. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, let's do report. Scroll down to keep going. Okay. Scroll up to, let's see, report. Oh, standard. Okay, standard portrait.
Okay.
Standard portrait. There you go. And
Okay.
Save.
Okay.
Okay. Now let's attach it.
Okay. So now I go into accounts receivable. Invoice.
AR invoice. Yeah.
There it is.
There it is.
Okay.
Now run it and see what comes up. See if it's going to show that company.
Oh, wow, that's an old period. Yeah.
You can sometimes you can take that all the way to the top to a blank space if you want to just get rid of the dates altogether. But that's fine. Let's see what happens here. Okay,
Oh,
there you go.
So there, and it popped in there. Okay.
There you go. Okay. Just a couple little tidbits on that one.
Yeah,
okay.
I think that was probably my problem because I was looking for this over here instead of here. So yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, how do I print this report? So I was printing it from the design screen, but then nothing shows. So.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
All right.
Cool.
So you can fill in any of the other CP things and they'll work on, when you actually put it to an invoice in this case or whatever it's attached to.
Okay. Perfect. Awesome.
Hey, great.
Awesome. All right.
All right.
Thank you very much. I appreciate you.
Thank you. Take care.
Bye. Have a good one. Bye-bye.
Okay. Bye.